This is Loose Shirt. Welcome to Locks with Loose. Got a challenge lock from DangerousVP. It's his first one. It's called Live, Laugh, and LockPick. And it's made out of one of the Sparrow's practice locks. Didn't come with a key, or I didn't. No, I didn't come with a key. I haven't picked it yet, so let's give it a try. Moki 1.3 millimeter usually works in these legs pretty well. And I'm going to try a medium Jimmy Longs. So, one is binding. I'll leave it alone though. 2, 3, 4. What's going on here? 4. Touch that and it's gravelly as hell. Springy gravelly. Five. Nothing out of that. Excuse me. I think there's 6 in here. Oh, well, I didn't expect that. Damn. I touched 3 and it opened up. Okay, let's take it apart. Okay, welcome back. So nothing done to the cylinder itself that I see. But first one's got a little torpedo trap, same as the second one. Third one is standard. Fourth one's torpedo. Fifth one, another. Well, serrated it. Yeah, I'll call it a torpedo. Okay. Okay, nice little serrated with a taper on the end of it. Oh, I like that. T-pin thing on there. Oh, pop that out of there. That's nice. All of these have a taper effect so far. That's like a gin. Serrated on the end. That'd be you. All right. Unlock. Both great places. Oops. Down there a little closer. Nice little challenge lock. DangerousVP. Thanks for making it. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.